So I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette from her Vault collection. I forgot which one it is, but I'm using it just to go ahead and set my eyes with a nice brown base. I am going to be using a little bit of the some of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. Not only am I going to be using it on my eyes, but I am going to also be using it as a highlight. I went in with Rush, and now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Mugshot. I'm just going to continue to build up that color in my crease. I don't have anywhere fancy to go today. I'm really just doing my makeup to go out and about and for the purpose of this video. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I filmed to get ready with me for the first time, and everything seemed to go okay except as far as the uploading of the video. One of the videos got damaged, which if you're a YouTuber, that happens sometimes. Unfortunately for me, so I only had half a video, which who wants to watch half a get ready with me? Because your makeup looks like crap until the end, when it all comes together. This product is so soft to the point where it's like, is this gonna stay on my face or is this gonna fall off when I like hug somebody or touch it? So looks pretty good. At home right now watching this video, if you breathe, you will mess your brows up, so do not breathe. Boom! guys, I just realized that I didn't put concealer on because I wouldn't be me if I did. So I'm going to go in now and I'm going to go back with the Shape Tape concealer, Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light medium. I'm just going to go in. Luckily, I haven't put like highlight and everything on, so I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze this bad boy on. Forehead's little. That highlight was not supposed to go all the way up. Just a flat little packing brush, and I'm going to spray it with my NYX Cosmetic Dewy setting spray. Actually bought it on a whim. It makes my face too oily. It doesn't really help the oil. Like, it's too dewy. And I'm going in with the color Escape from this palette, and I'm just going to come up here above the eyeshadow that I already have. Up there where I highlighted my brow, and now I'm just going in with the shimmer shade. It is wet, so I will have to let it dry a bit before I blend it out. So I like a little shimmer there, and I like a little shimmer in the inner eye, but I think they're going to be two different shimmers. I'm that girl. Black eyeliner, which is low-key almost it like falls out of this little thing every chance it gets. I'm that girl. I applied eyelash glue, and I'm going to like to let them dry a little bit, and then I do apply them with tweezers. These specifically are from Crown, but you can use any tweezers. And final step, everyone, Cover Fix, and it's the illuminating setting spray we got in our Boxy Charm a while back. Feels so divine. Woo! Give it to me, slow baby, just like